Hi guys, good morning. I got this as a gift. It's Michael Kors Wanderlust. I will do like unboxing with you guys. And this is the tester or like the gift. It's so beautiful perfume. It has let's see the ingredients. It is has a water and lemon, benzyl, citronol, cinnamon. It is so wonderful smell. So let's do unboxing together and let's see. This is like, oh yeah, it's so nice. It's 50 millimeter. 50 millimeter. Oh wow, it smells so good. Even when I do unboxing, it smells wonderful. So wow. Wow, it smells amazing, guys. Definitely recommend it to people who like the summer scent. It's very lemon and very refreshing. And this is like, just a minute guys, let me just put like my phone here. And so elegant, the package is so elegant too. See, wow, even the testers look nice. So hope that you like my video. Give it some up, give it like if you like it, and if you want to like more videos like this. Have a good day and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.